Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Farah. I am the owner of a digital marketing agency where we help female entrepreneurs really scale up from 5 to 6 figures, from 6 to 7 figures. I'm also a recent corporate babe that has fully transitioned into self-employment, and this channel will be all about business, personal finance and lifestyle. In today's video, I really wanted to talk about the businesses or side hustles you can start without any startup costs. Obviously, when I started my business, it was a side hustle, which has now fully transformed into a fully fledged business. And I want to really show you the different ways that you can make money online without actually having a startup cost. So the first way to do this is by having a social media marketing agency or becoming a social media marketing freelancer. Now, what that means is that you will be managing social media accounts for businesses. They can range from anything that you like, from restaurants to landscapers to gardeners. Any business at this point in time kind of needs social media. It will be your job to increase their activity on social media, perhaps by posting more, interacting more with their clients, and perhaps even answering DMs. If you want to start this locally, it would be to contact local businesses in your area that are perhaps not making the fullest use of social media at the moment. You can give them a call or walk into, let's say, a restaurant and perhaps see if they've got a budget to take you on and for you to help them with their business. Now, this can actually range from, let's say, £300 a month to upwards of in the thousands, and it all depends on how much you would be doing for the business. So for example, if you were the one that was creating the content, taking the pictures, making sure that you're on site, obviously you would expect to have a higher retainer. However, if you are, let's say, a freelancer that would receive all the images and all you'd have to do is post, that again will be on the lower end of the scale. So I would say it would range from about 300 upwards to the thousands. So the benefit of actually running a social media marketing agency or becoming a social media marketing freelancer is that you wouldn't have to spend a lot of time within the month to actually generate that income. So for example, if you receive all the images for the month, all you'd have to do is put it into a scheduler and let that scheduler automatically post for you instead of you being on your phone and posting. Or if you wanted someone to be there live on the day, posting on the day, being really interactive, you could hire a freelancer from Fiverr, pay them about £100, and if your retainer is about £400, that would mean that you'd profit about £300 for yourself by posting for other businesses on social media. So the second way to start a business or a side hustle online is to become a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is someone that helps businesses with anything that they may need. So any admin that they may need done, perhaps answering customer queries, checking the reviews are okay, replying to reviews as well, and even sourcing new products for the business owner. Again, this can range from the hundreds to the thousands depending on what you are doing for that business owner. For example, in my business, I have a virtual assistant who helps me find new leads, sometimes reply to inbound queries that I don't have time to reply to myself, and it can really take up a load of my plate and allow me to actually focus on the day-to-day and on the items that actually bring me revenue in. Now, the way that you could start your virtual assistant business or side hustle is by contacting business owners or e-commerce owners and seeing if they have capacity or if they're looking for a virtual assistant, and you can offer your services to them. If you don't want to go that direct route, you can always go onto these job sites such as Upwork or Fiverr and advertise your services or even apply to jobs that are there on offer. The third way to start a business or side hustle without any startup costs is to start selling digital products online. So digital products are a set of info products that really explain a matter in a detailed way or give away some hints and tips to improve certain bits. So if you're into fitness, you can make a fitness guide on maybe how to increase your glutes or how to get stronger legs. If you're into cooking, you can perhaps put together a recipe book and sell that online. And all you'd really need for that is Canva and a platform to sell your digital products on. So digital products are usually from the hundreds depending on what you are selling. So if you are selling a course, obviously that would be more, that would be in the thousands. But if it's just a one-off purchase or a booklet that you've put together to provide people with some quick recipes or some healthy recipes, that would perhaps be more in the hundreds. Finally, a way you can start a business without any startup costs would be to become a video editor. That is, if you have the skills to edit a video. And the reason why this is so lucrative is because the video industry is booming in terms of TikTok and YouTube, and perhaps the creators don't have time to edit those videos themselves. Now, this could be very lucrative depending on how many videos that creator wants you to edit for them, what the editing style is, how long the videos are, and all of that put together can get you a nice retainer every month. So the way to do that is to actually reach out to these creators and see if they require someone to edit those videos for them. And if, again, you don't want to go through the direct approach, you can advertise your skills on Fiverr or Upwork and apply to jobs that way. I hope you found this video useful, just a quick guide on how you can start a business or side hustles today without any startup costs. Let me know what else you want to see on my channel, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.